ever had your back to the wall and at the back of your mind and hear your conscience call, telling you about to lose it all? Gotta get it back and put it where it used to be, cause down the line, man, you lost it, this shit is deep. Now everything I do, I try to do my best. I'm in the hole, I need that ladder to success, so I can get up out of here. Tired of thinking what if, it's like I'm living in fear.
Alright. My name is Rodell. As y'all can see, I'm dressed in all blue. I am OG Crip, been doing this game for 12 years. Now, also to go along with this Unity March, I had orchestrated where I would have all the game members come and be a part of this Unity March. And it basically moved through social media. Unfortunately, they wasn't able to come and support it, but it moved through social media. It's another step to change, you know? So, even though I'm a Crip, at the end of the day, we stand for community revolution and progress. We started out as an organization. This was not put as a gang. This was not put as terror or terrorists to our own communities or America, let's just say. That's not how that started. We was birthed out of the Black Panthers. We sat there and we picked up where they left off that. We was supposed to be the ones to sit there and help police our communities when the police wasn't doing it for us. That's what we was doing. But due to drugs and crack and all these other different things that hit the communities, it basically departed everything. Now, my mission is to basically remain who I am and be this Crip, but get it back to the roots of what it used to be.
Right.
This was never about color. Us blacks and Hispanics sat there and took the American flag, and we took red and blue and made it a game. The American flag system, red, and blue. And us blacks and Hispanics sat there and looked at it and said, we gonna choose blue and red. Not racially speaking, but look what's still standing. The whites are still standing there looking at us, killing each other. They ain't even got to do it no more. Ku Klux Klan ain't got to do it no more because we doing it to ourselves. We the Ku Klux Klan. If that's how they looking at it. And that's my mission right there, to sit there and bring back what the meaning of banging used to be. It was about a cause. It was never about color. Color sat there and came into play for no reason. That's something we made up. But the only thing the color did was establish who was who. Not to kill another. We all men, we all brothers and sisters here. At the end of the day, I understand the family foundation. And the family foundation is, you bloods, y'all refer yourselves as brothers, we refer ourselves as cousins. But I know, I have a brother and I have a cousin. So that makes us a family foundation. Birthed out of that Black Panther movement. And that's why I say, once again, my name is Rodell Hurd, and I am an OG Crip. That's going to bring restoration back to the games.
Right.
Thank you, my brother.
That's it. And I'm going to tell you one thing.
Ever had your back to the wall and at the back of your mind and hear your conscience call, telling you about to lose it all? Gotta get it back and put it where it used to be, cause down the line, man, you lost it, this shit is deep. Now everything I do, I try to do my best. I'm in the hole, I need that ladder to success, so I can get up out of here. Tired of thinking what if, it's like I'm living in fear. Whatever happens, happens, I'll still be here, standing tall like my mom showed me. At a young age, we came out.